We are E-Shark, and we have been making electric skateboards for top brands since 2016. We know the ins and outs of the industry. We launched our own project 2 years ago back in 2018 with a mission in mind, to modernize the industry's old technology and revolutionize the urban mobility of the 21st century. After delivering over 20,000 electric skateboards, we've worked closely with our community of riders to bring you our newest model, C-8. The modern electric skateboard with the power, the design, and the functionality that riders today deserve. Introducing C-8, the new generation's electric skateboard. Our riders asked for a light and affordable electric skateboard, but we aimed higher, to create a board that is also durable. To meet the needs of all levels of riders, we made sure that the boards are modular. Enjoy it as is or personalize to make the board your own. Oh, and you might have already noticed, we've designed a vehicle without any awkward bulks, just a clean, sleek look and experience. Our boards come with industry's top-grade, fast-charging removable battery. Remove it from the board in 10 seconds. Fully charge it in just an hour. Always on the go? Just get a backup and be ready for any situation. Our batteries are 99 watt-hours, and that means they are airplane safe, meeting regulations by all major and minor airlines internationally. When you're not riding, you can even charge your phones, laptops, and tablets. Your electric bikes and scooters have their limits. C-8 is actually portable, light, and compact. Carry it in our backpacks and take it everywhere, wherever your life takes you. The C-8 is equipped with a powerful driving force that gets you through even the toughest situations. Just enjoy the ride stress-free. Our e-boards are the best mobility option for all of your travels and everyday adventures. They cut your commute time. They go up hills. They endure long and tough rides. They are splash-proof. They are also great for fast riding and tricks when you are in a safe place. And if you're worried about the bumps on the road, we've got you covered. One of the most difficult things to deal with in modern lightweight electric skateboards is the shock absorption module. Traditional lightweight skateboards have poor shock absorption, which can cause damage to your knees. The C-8 is equipped with a new shock absorption module. The ingenious four-spring mechanism built into its bridge enhances the damping sensation to such a comfort that you'll love taking the C-8 on the road. It's called a module for a reason. Mount it on any skateboards and keep your knees safe. Always stay on top of your board with the intuitive wireless smart LCD handheld controller. Manage your time better. Know exactly when you need to charge its battery and when maintenance is required. Our goal is to create the best electric skateboard there is on the market, and C-8 is the result. Don't let transportation dictate how you feel the rest of your day. Skip the rush hour and electrify your personal transport without breaking the bank. And have fun while you're at it. Support us to make a global movement, to make our e-boards accessible to everyone in every city in the world. The production line is ready to roll out with your help. Back us today, and let's revolutionize the urban mobility movement together.